Sending money from the USA to Morocco can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you through the process. First, determine the amount you want to send and the exchange rate you will get. Compare the rates offered by different money transfer services to get the best deal. Popular services include Western Union, MoneyGram, and Xoom. Next, choose a transfer method that suits your needs. You can send money online, through a mobile app, or in person at a physical location. Online and mobile transfers are often faster and more convenient, while in-person transfers can provide more support if you need it. To send money online or through a mobile app, you will need to create an account with the transfer service. This typically involves providing some personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and bank account details. Once you have created an account, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You will also need to specify the amount you want to send and the currency you want to send it in. The transfer service will then provide you with a quote, including the exchange rate and any fees that will be charged. Make sure you understand all the costs involved before you confirm the transfer. After you confirm the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient's bank account or made available for cash pickup. Depending on the options you chose, the recipient will typically receive the money within 1 to 3 business days. Although this can vary depending on the transfer service and the destination. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure you have all the necessary information and follow the instructions provided by the transfer service. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the transfer, including the transaction number and any other relevant details. In addition to using a transfer service, you can also send money through a bank. This can be a more traditional method, but it may take longer and involve higher fees. To send money through a bank, you will need to provide the recipient's bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Overall, sending money from the USA to Morocco can be a relatively simple process, as long as you follow the right steps and choose a reputable transfer service. By comparing rates, choosing the right transfer method, and following the instructions provided, you can ensure that your money is delivered quickly and securely to its destination.